हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग नेक्स्ट थ्योरम को देखेंगे। नेक्स्ट थ्योरम बेस्ड है हमारे सर्कल के सेंट्रल एंगल और सर्कमफेरेंस एंगल पे। एंगल जनरली हम लोग दो तरह का देखते हैं। सर्कल के सेंटर पे जो एंगल बनता है उसको कहते हैं सेंट्रल एंगल, और सर्कल के एज पे, इसका मतलब जहाँ पे जिस लाइन से जो सर्कल बना हुआ है उस पे जो भी एंगल बनता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं सर्कमफेरेंस एंगल। हमारा थ्योरम में बोलता है एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय एन आर्क, मतलब कि कोई भी एक पार्टिकुलर आर्क ले लेंगे, उससे जो हमारा एंगल बनेगा सेंटर पे वो हमेशा डबल होगा। किसके डबल होगा? तो जो सर्कमफेरेंस पे एंगल बनेगा उसके। एक फिगर हम लोग यहाँ बनाते हैं। ये हमारा एक सर्कल हो गया, ये हमारा सेंटर हो गया। एक आर्क ले लेते हैं ए, ये आर्क ले लिए एक बी। ए से बी तक ये जो हमारा ये डिस्टेंस है इसको बोलेंगे आर्क। सेम आर्क से अगर हम लोग एक सेंटर पे एक एंगल बनाते हैं, हम लोग ये एंगल बना दिए ए, यहाँ एंगल बन गया ओ, और इसी आर्क से हम लोग एक एंगल बनाएंगे सर्कमफेरेंस पे, मतलब या तो इधर या इधर या इधर, मतलब कहीं भी एक एंगल बनाएंगे। हियर वी विल मेक वन एंगल, देन दिस एंगल, लेट इट बी सी, देन दिस एंगल is half of the central angle. It means what to prove here, that angle AOB is means equal to double means 2 into the angle made by the same arc. It means from A and B same arc at the circumference. It means angle ACP. Angle AOB is double of angle ACB. How we will prove it? In order to prove, at first we will do some construction. What construction we will do? We will join CO and proceed that line. Join CO which meet AB at D. I will join here. This is given as O. I had joined CO which meet AB at D. Now just see this triangle ACO. In this triangle CO, the line that is preceding ahead, and angle AOD will behave as the external angle. So we will write here, in triangle AOC, angle AOD is an external angle. This is external angle. Then we are knowing it very well that this angle plus this angle, this both will be equal to this one by the external angle property. So what we can write, and since both are equal, now we will see, now in triangle AOC, angle OAC will be equal to angle OCA. Let it be X. See, this is also X and this is also X. Why? Because OA is also a radius and OC is also a radius. Both are radius. Since since both are radius, therefore it will behave as an isosceles triangle. So both will be X. Therefore angle AOD will be X plus X. That will be equal to 2X. Let it be equation 1. Same way this side also, CO and OB is the radius, therefore this both will be equal. Let it be Y and this will also be Y. If both will be Y, then angle BOD will become 2Y. So we will write here similarly angle BOD will be equal to 2Y. Question 2. Now from 1 and 2 what we will get? I will erase here. Just write down the theorem. so that you will get to know it very well. I will write here from 1 and 2. On adding, what we will get? On adding, here we will get as angle AOD plus angle BOD will be equal to 2x plus 2y. Now AOD plus BOD, on adding this both, what we will get? Angle AOB. Take here 2 common, it will become x plus y, and x plus y can be written as angle ACB. See here, x plus y, we can write here angle AOB is equal to 2 into angle ACB. This one only we need to prove here. This is also one important theorem. Same way, in this same figure, if we will see the another one, then another theorem we will get to know very well. I am erasing this one. See, in this circle, from the same arc A and B, I am making one angle at here, circumference. Another circumference angle is here. Then what we will get to know? If I will draw here one central angle, if this central angle measures 2x, then what will be the value of angle ACB? Yes, sure, because ACB is also from the same angle, same arc, then ACB will be half of this, that means x degree. Similarly, what is the value of angle ADB? ADB is also forming from the same arc, and it will be half of the central angle, that is also x. It means the another theorem that we will have here, that is from same arc all the circumference angles are equal. This is the another theorem that we need to know. And one important part that we need to know here, that is triangle formed on diameter is right angled. This one is the most important. How? Any triangle that is forming over a diameter. This is the circle, this is the diameter. If I will draw any triangle over it here, then this angle always be 90 degree. If I will draw it like this, then also this angle will be 90 degree. I will draw from here like this, then also it will be 90 degree. It means that any triangle forming over a diameter is equal to 90 degree. Kindly note these things in your copy so that you will get to know it very well for your practice. For today, this much only. Next video we will see on the next day. Thank you.